Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have an unboxing of the FaceTory Luxe Plus Spring Skincare Box. So if you want to see exactly what I have in this spring box, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and this is the spring box. I just received it in the mail. Just a simple box with stars on it, and it said FaceTory, and it says just keep glowing. FaceTory, just keep glowing. So let's open the box. And this is what's inside the box. Okay, for those who do not know what FaceTory is a Korean skincare subscription box. And they have like 3 different subscriptions. One of them is the quarterly box, which is $49.95 every quarter, and it is worth over $150 value. And that's what I have today to show off. And that is called the Luxe Plus box. And in that box, you get anywhere from 5 to 6 skincare products and 5 to 6 sheet masks. And this is seasonally, okay? And the next subscription box they have is the 7 Luxe. And this is 7 luxury sheet masks and 1 to 2 bonus items also. And this is $19.90 a month. And then we have the Forever Fresh Kit. And this is 4 sheet masks and it's $8.90 a month. I will leave all this information in the description section of this video. So you just have to click on the link and check it out and decide if this is something that you would like to invest in or not. So let's go ahead on with the unboxing. Okay, the first thing in the box is a booklet to tell you exactly what's inside this box, and also it tells you the theme. The theme is Spring Story. Okay, the first thing I see in this box is Bunny Headband. So this is the FaceTory Bunny Headbands. And these retails for $7.95. And it says our newest headband, the FaceTory Bow Bunny Headband. The next thing I see in this box is EssenHerb Tea Tree Cleansing Water. Okay, I'll open it up and let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. And it says a gentle cleansing water that is infused with tea tree to help remove makeup and impurities. And this retails for $25. The next thing I see in this box is Mugwort Rescue Soothing Pads. This is facial soothing and moisturizing for sensitive skin. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and you get a total of 60 pads in here. Let me see. Okay, this is what it looks like. The next thing I see is this is Neogen Dermalogy Real Vitamin C Serum. 22% vitamin C, and Vita C Cellulose. Okay, and this helps brighten, rejuvenate, and hydrate your skin. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this serum retails for $38. Neogen Dermalogy Real Vitamin C Serum is a vitamin C serum that brightens and firms the skin for a plump and healthy complexion. Okay, try to open it up. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And like I said, this retails for $38. The next thing I see is myself, and I refreshing eye cream. And this is what this looks like. FaceTory, myself, and I facial refreshing eye cream. This cream moisturizes the delicate skin around your eye for a smooth, brighter appearance. And this retails for $15.95. And this is what it looks like. Okay. I have so much eye cream and moisturizing serums right now. So as soon as I finish up the ones I'm using, I will try these out next. Okay. The next thing I see is Soonsoo Cream Mist. Mist as effective as an entire container of cream skin. And that's what the packaging looks like. It looks like a white milky substance. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it says a milky mist that works as a moisturizer and toner. It contains milk protein and extract that softens skins and retain moisture for a smooth and supple complexion. And this retails for $27. Okay? And you can use this before or after foundation for a dewy finish. Okay. The last, let's see how many we got. The last 5 products we have in the box are some face masks. And the first face mask is Logical Skin. And it says it's smoothing and lifting mask, a relaxing microfiber mask that delivers a rejuvenate essence to wake up tired and dull skin. Okay, and this retails for $5. The next thing I see in the box is this is my sheet. This is my sheet green tea common mask. It's relaxed with this common and hydrating sheet mask that is infused with green tea extract. And this retails for $4. Okay. The next thing I see is a Hydra soothing cellulose mask. It's give your skin the treatment of deep hydration. This mask hydrates the skin, helping maintain the health of your skin barriers. And this retails for $3. Okay, $3. The next one I see is Surge Medica Brightens Glutathione Mask. Something to that effect. Well, there you go. And a brightening mask that improves dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It transforms the skin and provides an overall dewy glow. And this retails for $3.80. And the last mask I see inside the box is Refreshing Relief Artemisia, something to that effect. There you go. Smooth and relax your skin with a calming sheet mask infused with Artemisia extract. This mask adds a radiant glow which also minimizes redness. Okay, and this retails for $3. And that is it so far as this box. We had a total of 6 sheet masks and 5 beauty products and 1 head product. So the total for this spring box was $157.70. Now, where can you beat let's just say $158 worth of products for $50? You can't beat that nowhere. Nowhere. So if you're thinking about dipping and dabbing into some Korean skincare, check the link in the description section of this video and just check it out. I mean, you just can order something real simple like a couple of sheet masks. Try them out and see if you like it. And once you start dipping and dabbing in it, I'm sure you will start getting this subscription box. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know if you have this beauty subscription box. And if so, what do you think about this box? And if you don't have this box, are you planning on purchasing this box? Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.